Smith & Edwards Surplus Plus. Smith & Edwards Country Boys.
Hi, I'm Mike from Smith & Edwards. We're here under the Smith & Edwards Bay at the 3 Mile Creek Range in Perry City, Utah. This is a great range. There are targets all the way out to 1,000 yards. I'm here today to talk to you about Range Day, June 12th, 2015. We're going to have over 15 manufacturers here letting you shoot their guns. Our ammo and their guns. You don't have to buy a whole box. You can buy 10 rounds and try something out. So it's a great opportunity to bring your friends, bring your family, and shoot some great guns and see maybe what your next gun is.
Smith & Edwards Surplus Plus. Smith & Edwards, the Country Boy Store. Smith & Edwards Surplus Plus. Smith & Edwards, the Country Boy Store.
All right.